Water level indicator. Parts required. Arduino Uno water level sensor, 3 light emitting diode, 1 active buzzer, connecting wires, breadboard, and 3 220 OHM. How it works. In this project, we will be building a water level indicator using Arduino and water sensor. Water sensor brick is designed for water detection, which can be widely used in sensing rainfall, water level, and even liquid leakage. The system would indicate the level of the water, 3 different levels inside the tank with the help of 3 LED and a buzzer to indicate that the tank is full. Connecting a water sensor to an Arduino is a great way to detect a leak, spill, flood, rain, etc. It can be used to detect the presence, the level, the volume, and or the absence of water. The build. Number 1, assemble LEDs on breadboard. And number 2, use LED of 3 different colors, red indicating extremely low level, yellow or blue indicating half water level, and green indicating full water level. And number 3, connect the shorter legs to GND rail on the breadboard. Provide a jumper wire connected to JND from Arduino board, which would be the ground supply. And number 4, connect 220 OHMS resistor in series with each LED. Number 5, make connections for LED with digital pins on Arduino as follows. Red, digital pin 13. Blue, digital pin 12. Green, digital pin 11. 6. Connect the water level sensor to Arduino as follows. Water sensor pins, Arduino pins. Negative JND. Positive VCC 5 volts, SAO. 7. Connect the active buzzer longer leg to digital pin 8 and shorter leg to JND of Arduino board. Number 9. Determine and test the level value of water level sensor using serial monitor in Arduino IDE. This will help you decide on what level value of water should the LEDs and buzzer turn on and off depending on the level of water detected. We should first declare the level, LEDs and buzzer as into its designated pin numbers in Arduino board. Next, set of codes are the baud rate of 9600 in different outputs of the project LEDs and buzzers. If the level is greater than the 200, the green LED and the buzzer will turn on, indicating that the level of water is in the high or full level. If the level is greater than the 150 and less than to 200, yellow LED will turn on. If the level is greater than to 25 and less than to 150, red LED will turn on. When there are no conditions met from the given codes, the else condition will be executed wherein all the LEDs and buzzer will turn off.
Ako,
Magantang kamay ka.
ikaw na.
Ikaw nag-video kanina eh.
Eh, ano yung? Kung ikaw yung?
Hindi yan landscape.
Ikaw na nga.
Ikaw na.
Araw mo na.
Wala nilulublog.